Hi, this is Gina from the Embroidery Zone, and I'm making a flag, US flag patch, freestanding patch today. And I am hooping 2 layers of Super Solvy, and it's super tight. When you purchase this design on my Etsy shop, on the last page of the printout, you'll get the patch shape, the applique shape, and that's going to sew as your guide run. I'm going to be using red twill fabric, so I'm just going to cut this out. You have to do it slightly off to the side because I'm taping this with my phone. I'm just going to give this a shot of spray adhesive. I always put it in my trash can so I don't get any overspray. Then I'm just going to cut out my fabric. I already have the design loaded into my machine, and I'm just going to trace it out, make sure it fits in the hoop. And we're good. Okay, so the first thing that's going to stitch is the guide run. That's my placement stitch. I'm going to give this another squirt of adhesive to hold the fabric down. Put it back in the machine. The next element to sew is going to be the tack down stitch. Next, it's going to sew the blue background behind the stars. Next, it's going to sew the stars and stripes in white. Okay, and the last object to stitch is going to be the satin border along the outside, which is another color change, so you can make it gold or red or whatever, and this particular one is going to be navy. Okay, you can see how the Solvy started to tear away here. We'll just remove it from the Solvy. And there you have it. Beautiful freestanding patch. Accuracy is important in cutting the piece of fabric, which I didn't do so well at that, but I think it came out pretty sweet.